Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. My name's Erin, and today I have my Boxycharm Premium for the month of March to go over with you. Now, if you like makeup beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get started. For those of you who aren't familiar, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription. You get 6 full-size items each month, 2 in which you get to choose and customize, and it costs $39.99 a month. This is my Boxycharm Premium for the month. They put it in a smaller box this month. They were able to fit all 6 items inside. The card this month is Planet Woman, and that's the theme of the month. We have a list of products with description and price points on the back as well. But let's go ahead and start with the first item. This is a Mally palette. Best Dressed Lids is the name of the palette. I've never tried anything from the brand Mally before, I don't think. So I'm really excited to try their eyeshadow and see the quality of it. It looks like a really pretty palette. Something that I would wear and use. Let's see what swatch is like. I like this gold here called After Hours. And then I like this black tie event. I'm sorry. Really pretty shimmers in there for sure. Music concert. Let's try this one. It's a green color. It almost looks blackish on the skin, but in the pan it looks kind of like a jungle green. Anyways, this palette is valued at $45. My next item is from Golden MD, and this is a detox hydrating gel, skin balancing moisturizer. And the problem that this is supposed to help with is problematic congested skin. So I'm not sure I have that, but it's a moisturizing gel, so I don't see why I couldn't use it. And this is an expensive brand. So I'm wondering, this costs $68 for this moisturizer. Next, I have something from La Palette Beauty, and this is Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser. Okay, it's 88% moisturizing essence ingredients. This is a Korean beauty product. So it's made in Korea. Okay, and this is what it looks like here. It's really cute. I think obviously it probably smells like citrusy or lemony, but I'm not really sure. I'm not going to open it because I do have like a bunch of face washes open right now. And I don't want to open another one. But this is valued at $32 for this facial wash. Then I have this already, but I don't mind getting it again. I heard it's a really good product. I haven't used it yet, but this is from Glow Recipe. And this is a Watermelon Glow Lip Pop Nourishing Soothing Lip Product. And this is valued at $22. Okay, this is what it looks like on the inside here. It looks really tiny and cute. Then we have from Murad. This is also a really expensive skincare brand. It's a Resurgence Retinol Youth Eye Serum. I normally can't use retinol because of my rosacea, but I don't have it around my eye area, so I think it should be fine to use that. But that one is valued at $89 for that eye serum. And lastly in here, I also already have this brush set, but I don't mind getting extra brush sets, especially if it's a good quality one. But this is from LaRousse. And this is one of the, and it comes with a case as well. But this set is actually valued at $50. This nice case that it comes with, and then if I can get it open. That's the only thing about this case I don't really like. It is a little bit harder to get open, but we have a few face brushes in there, as well as some eye ones as well. And that's everything I had in my Boxycharm Premium. I'll be putting my total box value up in the corner here. That's everything I had for the video today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.